First importance, switch on your video, all of you, fast. First significance or importance of the mitosis, that this mitosis division, because once the mitosis division occur, meaning what? Always one cell divides into two, then this two cell further divide. So two, one, two, फिर ये further divide होंगे. Each cell divided ultimately into the two daughter cell. Each cell, when undergo mitosis, it produce two daughter cells, right? Remember. So that property actually helps in to cell repair or the wound healing, right? Now next, after that, second point. So this point for cell repair or the wound healing. Next point, that when we have actually discussed this point, unicellular single cell is there over here. This single cells undergo mitosis. This single cell undergo mitosis. So 1 to 2 cells are formed. Then 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16. So this unicellular condition leads to formation of multicellular condition, right? That is again one important point for the mitosis, that helps in convert unicellular organisms to multicellular organisms. So this thing actually required for growth of multicellular organisms. Mitosis is required for growth of multicellular organisms. Then next point, skin, as I told you that dead cells are present on our skin, right? Then even lining of the gut, lining of the which region? Gut. Then blood cells भी होते हैं ना, RBC, WBC, they have a particular lifespan is there. So these all cells, that all cells are formed from their pre-existing cell. That statement given by Rudolf Virchow in cell theory, right? So to replace the lost cell, only some of the example, that gut lining cell, meaning what? Alimentary canal में, because in alimentary canal when we eat a food, right, वो solid food होता है. That solid food actually, that shows the erosion between our alimentary canal internal wall of alimentary canal and the food. So little bit amount of the cells that scratch off from that part. Over that, the new cells can form with the help of this mitosis. So gut lining cells, blood cells can form, even epidermis. Epidermis, that's the skin, right? Then next very important point, mitosis. Remember, mitosis occur in meristematic cells in plant. This point only for plant. In plant, meristematic tissues or cells are there, apical or axillary, and that undergo continuously which division? Mitosis, right? And these cells have the ability to continuously divide and form new cells. So this thing leads to growth in the plants throughout their life, right? Plants can grow throughout their life with the help of this meristematic tissue. ये सारे points तो easy थे. Now understand the points which I am explaining to you. Significance of mitosis. First understand, then write. Honeybee, right? Honeybee has 3 castes. You know ना, queen होता है, queen honeybee, male drone, and then worker bees, right? Queen, drone and worker bees are there. इसमें से queen fertile female है, drone fertile male, but these worker bees, they are female but sterile, can't able to produce their progeny. नेम गिवन वर्कर बी, दे आर वर्कर. उसका काम क्या है? सिर्फ हनी प्रिपेयर करो, वैक्स बनाओ, लाइक दैट. यू नो ना हनी कॉम्ब, ये तो सुना है ना आपने, राइट? सो वर्कर बीज आर देयर, दे जस्ट डू देयर वर्क. Otherwise, two mean that's a queen and drone. Drones are male, queen is a fertile female, right? So now, queen यहाँ पे एक haploid diploid condition आपको पता है ना? Haploid diploid, haploid single set of chromosome, diploid two sets of chromosome, right? One pair in that, it means one in that two chromosome, तो we call 2n. अगर एक ही में तीन मिलेंगे तो हम बोलेंगे ट्रिप्लॉइड, राइट? ह्यूमन 2n is equal to 46, इसका n हो जाएगा 23. हनी बी, this one for female, this one for male. Now understand, listen carefully. Things are different. ह्यूमन आप मेल लो या फीमेल, 46 क्रोमोसोम्स मिलेंगे आपको इन सेल. In human, male and female both have 46 chromosomes in their cell. But in honeybee, difference is there. देखो मैंने ये फीमेल का सिंबल बनाया, वहां पे 2n लिखा है. Whereas in the male, only n. Number of chromosomes are vary in case of male honeybee and fertile female honeybee, or the female honeybee in short. Okay, worker bee में worker bees भी diploid ही होते हैं. So female and male number of chromosomes are vary. यहाँ पे 2n is equal to 32 होता है. हनी बी में 2n is equal to how many? 32. So n कितना हो जाएगा? जैमिन बोलो, n वैल्यू कितनी होगी? जैमिन अनम्यूट. इसको तो सिर्फ स्माइली आएगा, है ना? अनम्यूट नहीं करना, इट्स योर चॉइस. चलिए जिल बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
n is equal to,
N is equal to
अरे इतना तो मैथ्स आना चाहिए ना. n is equal to what? 32. ये 2 को यहाँ नीचे ले आओ. अभी बोलो कितना आएगा वैल्यू? जिल 32 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 कितना होता है जिल?
yes, ma'am.
बोलो जैमिन.
16.
16, राइट? 2n is equal to, यहाँ पे होता है 32, हियर n हो जाएगा 16, हाफ. जस्ट इमेजिन, ये डिफरेंस होता है मेल एंड फीमेल हनी बीज में, राइट? फीमेल हनी बीज आर देयर, दे आर डिप्लॉयड, उसमें 32 क्रोमोसोम्स होंगे. whereas male honeybee haploid, in that only 16 chromosomes are there. Now when they produce their gamete, गैमेट्स जो होते हैं ना ऑलवेज हैप्लॉइड होते हैं, वो मियोसिस से फॉर्म होते हैं. हाउ दैट वी विल लर्न. सी गैमेट्स आर ऑलवेज हैप्लॉइड. आप अभी इतना लर्न करो बिकॉज यू हैव टू लर्न द मियोसिस फर्स्ट, राइट? यहाँ पे हाफ करना है तो हम मियोसिस डिवीजन यूज करेंगे. ये इक्वेशनल हो जाएगा, है ऑलरेडी एन है तो यहाँ पे होता है माइटोसिस डिवीजन, राइट? नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दैट, ओके, टू मेक इट इजी, कि यहाँ पे एक क्वीन है, this one is a queen, this one for drone and this one for worker, right? Here make it one. (32) here 16, 16 represent n, 2n 32 represent 2n condition. Now इसका हाफ यहाँ पे हो जाएगा. गैमेट्स आर ऑलवेज हैप्लॉइड, एक कंडीशन होता है, गैमेट्स आर ऑलवेज हैप्लॉइड. गैमेट्स आपको n ही मिलेंगे, वेदर इट्स अ ह्यूमन और एनी अदर एनिमल, गैमेट्स आर ऑलवेज हैप्लॉइड, राइट? ये तो ऑलरेडी हैप्लॉइड है तो इसका हम 16 ऐसे ही लिखेंगे, राइट? नाउ इमेजिन कि ये स्पर्म है, मेल से फॉर्म हुआ, दिस टू आर एग्स, so one egg that fertilized with the one sperm, fertilized by the one sperm, so that n fuse, so 2n हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे ये 32 बन जाएगा। आपको यहाँ तक समझ में आया? राइट नाउ बट ये 16 के लिए तो कोई नहीं है स्पर्म यहाँ पे, सो दैट 16 विच इज अ अनफर्टिलाइज्ड एग, ये बेसिकली क्या है, एग है, अनफर्टिलाइज्ड एग, बट इट कन्वर्ट, 16 किस में होता है, मेल में, yes or no, 16 chromosomes present in what, male, so this one convert into male, that we call a drawn, right? So here for in this step, can you tell me in this step when unfertilized egg itself convert into the male drawn, for यहाँ पे आपको that meiosis या mitosis कोई cell division हुआ at this point, fusion, fertilization, nothing is there, right? So this process, actually this process we call parthenogenesis. This one we call parthenogenesis. Remember हमने fruit में किया था, without fertilization when fruit form, that we call parthenocarpic. fruit के लिए बोलेंगे parthenocarpic. Same way, without fertilization, if animal form, we call parthenogenesis. Right? If animal के लिए है parthenogenesis, fruit के लिए है parthenocarpic. And this 16 जो यहाँ पे अभी फॉर्म हुआ, फिर इसके अंदर माइटोसिस होता रहेगा. जब 16 at the end form, that continuously undergo mitosis. So 16, 16, 16, and by that way, male drawn are formed. Right? So in your textbook, just simple one line is given that in some social insect, okay, one of the example honeybee, other examples are there, haploid cells divide by mitosis to carry out parthenogenesis. Okay, haploid cells divide by the mitosis, meaning what, जो gametes form हुए थे, ये 32 में से 2 gametes हुए 16 16 के, मेल ऑलरेडी 16 है तो यहाँ पे 16, फिर ये 2 फ्यूज हो जाएंगे तो 32 बनाएंगे, 32 किसका कंपोजिशन है, फीमेल का, remaining one this 16, now this divided by mitosis, so in all cells we get 16 16 chromosome and they ultimately develop as a male, right? Parthenogenesis word दिया है यहाँ पे, but not for queen and worker bees, that is only for male honeybees. Are you all clear? If you have any doubt in this point, I can repeat. Tell me. Clear all of you? बोलिए जिया.
मैम 16 और 1632 मतलब फीमेल्स बनेंगे, तो मैम वो कैसे पता चलेगा कि वर्कर भी है या फीमेल ही है?
वो बाद में, अभी ये कंसेप्ट नहीं, उसमें एक होता है कि रॉयल जेली जो लार्वा को मिला था ना, वो ही क्वीन बनता है, बाकी सब वर्कर भी, राइट? वो हम 12th में करेंगे, अभी नहीं, राइट? बोलिए कीर्तन.
मैम माइटोसिस कौन से पॉइंट पे होता है?
Then see, पहले ये क्लियर है कि 32 क्रोमोसोम्स मिलेंगे आपको फीमेल में, मेल में होंगे 16 क्रोमोसोम. नाउ दे फॉर्म देयर गैमेट्स. गैमेट्स ऑलवेज हैप्लॉइड होता है, तो ये 2n का n करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, ये ऑलरेडी n कंडीशन में है तो रिमेन एज अ 16 सेम, right? And these all are gametes, these 2 are egg, this one is a sperm. Now next, when this egg and sperm fertilize, so 16 plus 16 क्या होगा यहाँ पे, 32. Tell me Kirtan, this one behaves as a what, male or female?
फीमेल.
Yes, 32 किस में होता है, female. Now this one, this is what, egg or sperm?
इट विल बी मैम वो स्पर्म और एग हुई होगा पर पार्थेनोजेनेसिस हो जाएगा.
हाँ, egg है, right? This is the egg because
हाँ,
female में से
egg.
form हुआ है. बट इसका
Yes.
फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं हो रहा है, सो वी कॉल अनफर्टिलाइज्ड एग, right?
Yes.
This unfertilized egg convert into male by itself. That process we called parthenogenesis, right?
Yes.
Now, at this point, now mitosis begin. In all cells, you get 16, 16, 16 chromosome, right? And by that,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
form entire male organism. Clear, Kirtan?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next point, which is much more difficult from this point. See, over here the cell is there. Consider this one is a G1 cell in a G1. This one cell in an S, cell in a G2 phase, and after G2 it undergoes that mitosis, right? Mitosis, then cytokinesis. So end product is what? That two daughter cells are formed. Clear है? पहले ये G1S, G2 and the mitosis का मैंने directly यहाँ पे end products बनाए. That's the two daughter cells. Now next, understand this thing, that over here one chromosome and two second one. G1 में इतने ही chromosomes है, right? मैं आपको डायरेक्टली वो 23 पेयर्स ड्रॉ करके समझाऊंगी ना तो समझ में ही नहीं आएगा. जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि ये डिप्लॉयड कंडीशन है. जस्ट नाउ ओवर हियर वन सेल है, इन दैट टू क्रोमोसोम्स आर देयर, ओनली टू डिप्लॉयड कंडीशंस है. नाउ जीवन में ऐसा कंटेंट है यहाँ पे क्रोमोसोम का. देन एस में क्या होगा पता है आपको? न्यू स्ट्रैंड ऑफ दिस थिंग इज फॉर्म, सेम एग्जैक्ट कॉपी, राइट? as DNA duplication occur. Remember that point, as में DNA duplication and chromosome number duplicate or remain same. Can you tell me? Chromosome number duplicate or remain same? Sakshi.
Ma'am, remain same.
Yes, chromosome number remains same, right? Now next, G2 में भी सेम ही कंटेंट रहेगा बिकॉज ये S में फॉर्म हो गया. नाउ इन द G2 this content will remain same. G2 में तो no duplication, no cytoplasmic another thing formation, just वो tubulate protein form होता है, right? Now at the end of the mitosis, at the end of the mitosis, in remember जस्ट इमेजिन कि ये सेल अभी माइटोसिस में जा रहा है तो ये प्रोफेज है. प्रोफेज के बाद इसका मेटाफेज आएगा तो ये ऐसे अरेंज है. मेटाफेज में फिर यहाँ से स्पिंडल फाइबर्स के साथ अटैच. समझ में आ रहा है आपको, राइट? देन एनाफेज में एनाफेज हो रहा है इसका, सॉरी, splitting of centromere and all that. So one chromatid over here, then other on this side. Can you make out up to here? फिर इसका टेलोफेज आ जाएगा. तो टेलोफेज में ये क्या हो जाता है? सिंपल इन दिस फॉर्मेट. बोलिए, यहाँ तक पहले क्लियर है?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
नाउ तो अभी हमें ये ड्रॉ करना है, दिस पॉइंट. दिस chromosome, sister chromatids over here separated in one cell. This one separated over here in other cell. Yes or no?
Yes.
किसी को भी डाउट है तो बोलो, राइट? नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट over here. Can you make out? Now हमने एक सीक्वेंस लर्न किया था. Understand ना this thing? G1S, G2M, G1S, G2M, ये सीक्वेंस चलता रहता है in case of mitosis, right? So be imagine now this cell undergo which phase? Can you tell me? This phase undergo which phase? This cell undergo which one? This cell undergo which one? Zil.
G1 और G2.
करेक्ट G1, राइट. देखो यहाँ पे ये G1 ही है, सेम है ये दोनों. दिस सेल कंपोजिशन सेम.
बट मैम
हाँ बोलो.
अगर दोनों ही अगर G1 हो जाएंगे तो देन S और G2.
हाँ दोनों जाएंगे ना, बोथ द सेल्स. ये फर्स्ट G1 पैरेलल होता है,
ओके ओके
राइट.
मैम.
सिंपल
ओके.
पैरेलल. ये भी G1 में जाएगा, S G2, फिर 2 से 4 सेल बनाएंगे, फिर ऑल 4 गोइंग इनटू दैट G1 S G2, फिर 8 सेल हो जाएंगे, फिर ऑल 8 अंडरगोस दैट G1 S G2M, राइट. ये तरह के सीक्वेंस, like that sequence is going on in that mitosis. आपको ये पॉइंट पहले यहाँ तक क्लियर है? Then I can go in detail in this. Anyone have a doubt in this? Next. Now we count the chromosome, right? G1, how many chromosome number? Can you tell me G1 में कितने chromosomes हैं? How many chromosomes in that? Maitri.
2.
Yes. So यहाँ पे मैं नंबर लिखती हूँ, सिंपल. क्रोमोसोम नंबर 2. मैत्री टेल मी, एस फेज में कितने क्रोमोसोम है?
2.
सेम, ट्रू. रिमेंबर सिंगल क्रोमेटिड एंड सेंट्रोमियर क्रोमोसोम, 2 chromatids and centromere also known as chromosome, right? So chromosome number remains same. Tell me G2, Maitri.
2. 2.
Each cell of M phase same, 2. Can you make out at each stage chromosome number remain same? बोले इसमें किसी को डाउट है? Now second thing. Second, suppose यहाँ पे ये दो क्रोम, I can write DNA concentration in this term 2C. DNA concentration that the 2C. Jia, tell me, S phase में कितना होगा? Jia,
मैम 4C.
correct. DNA concentration becomes double. देखो G1 में एक ही strand था, one more strand is formed, right? तो DNA तो double हो गया, so that's why we call 4C. Jia, tell me at G2 phase.
Ma'am, it will be 4C only.
Correct, 4C. Once it is formed in G2 again remain as a 4C, right? M में each cell में कितना होगा? In each daughter cell how much concentration of DNA?
Ma'am, 2C.
Yes, 2C. My point is what? आप देखो ये जो main end products है, right? 2C2, that is exactly same that cell undergoes cell cycle. Yes or no?
Yes.
All of you getting my point? So that is the significance of mitosis. One line is given in your textbook that this thing helps into restore nucleocytoplasmic ratio. Nucleus and cytoplasmic content remain same when cell undergoes this mitosis type of cell division. Clear?
Yes.
Right? Cell which undergo mitosis, their nuclear content same as their end product or the original one. किसी के भी साथ आप either और compare करो. Now, next thing, understand, which is helpful for solving the MCQs. In some of the book given not in a concentration form, you know, cell, microscopic structure. Inside that even very small size nucleus is present. And nucleus के अंदर ये genetic material मिलेगा आपको, right? So their weight is very, very, very less. So in some of the book, that's MCQs are there. Suppose in G1, DNA concentration that 20 picogram है G1 में. कीर्तन, टेल मी, एस फेज में कितना हो जाएगा डीएनए का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन एस फेज में? अगर
मैम
G1 में
24
20,
पिकोग्राम.
हाँ
मैम 24.
24.
40.
वेरी गुड.
अब मैम 40.
करेक्ट,
मुझे
40 पिकोग्राम.
12 दिखा दिया.
हाँ, राइट. डबल करना है आपको. जस्ट देखो यहाँ पे ऐसे सिंगल स्ट्रैंड है तो 20 पिकोग्राम बोलते हैं. तो यहाँ पे वन स्ट्रैंड के लिए, सॉरी माय मिस्टेक, 20 पिकोग्राम टोटल है, राइट. 20 पिकोग्राम टोटल है. सो 10 फॉर ईच स्ट्रैंड. कैन आई से दैट 10 वेट 10 पिकोग्राम फॉर ईच स्ट्रैंड. तो यहाँ पे कितने स्ट्रैंड्स है? ऐसे 4. तो वी कॉल 40 पिकोग्राम. सेम फॉर G2, 40 रहेंगे. साक्षी, टेल मी, in this cell how much picogram?
20.
Yes, correct. Same like a G1, 20 for each strand. 10. बोलिए, क्लियर है आपको? लिख लेना, अदरवाइज इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेना. जो करना है करना, बट लिख, नोटबुक में होगा तो इट्स बेटर, राइट. Next term, mitogen. Mitogen, note down everything, right? Mitogen meaning what? Chemicals that induces mitosis. Chemicals that induces mitosis, that chemicals we called mitogen. Right? You know, आपने सुना होगा ना टिश्यू कल्चर, ऐसा सुना है टिश्यू कल्चर, राइट. टिश्यू कल्चर है. अभी तो ये टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबी सुना है आपने? बहुत सारी जगह पे बैनर्स भी लगे होते हैं पे. तो टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबी के लिए एम्ब्रियो फॉर्म होता है आउटसाइड द बॉडी ऑफ फीमेल. एम्ब्रियो फॉर्म आउटसाइड द बॉडी ऑफ फीमेल एंड एम्ब्रियो फॉर्मेशन, यू नो, माइटोसिस इज रिक्वायर्ड. तो वहां पे भी ये केमिकल्स यूज होते हैं टू इंड्यूस, artificially induces the mitosis, right? So those chemicals induces mitosis we call mitogen. Some examples are there: lymphokines, one of the example, lymphokines. Second, that epidermal growth factor. Okay, 2 examples, remember, that's enough. Lymphokines and epidermal growth factor. Mainly remember what is mitogen. Chemicals which induce mitosis. Right? Chaliye. Next. If anyone asks, next term, spindle apparatus. Right? Just consider this black color as centriole and that's a spindle fiber. Now, what is spindle apparatus? Spindle apparatus is equal to centrioles plus spindle fiber. Centriole, number of centriole. Simply, you can remember number of that's the centrioles. Number of centrioles that form spindle apparatus. Suppose consider this is the prophase stage, right? Where the centrioles, how many centrioles are there? 2. So how many spindle apparatus over here? 2. Right? In this cell, can you tell me in this cell how many spindle apparatus? Arpita?
2.
Correct. 2. 1 and 2. Zil, tell me in this cell how many spindle apparatus? Zil hai to nahi?
Yes, hello, मैम.
Bolo, how many
Voice.
spindle apparatus? Huh?
Voice आ रही है ना?
Yes, yes, you are audible. Speak.
Yes. 2.
Sakshi bolo.
Ma'am, 1.
Yes, correct. Right? Simply remember number of centrioles form is equal to number of centrioles is equal to spindle apparatus. Basically, spindle apparatus, that's the centrioles with that spindle fiber.
But ma'am, there are 2 centrioles, no?
Where?
Can
मैंने आपको ये सेल के बारे में पूछा था. राइट? चलिए, किसी को भी डाउट है इसमें? स्पिंडल apparatus, let me know.
No, ma'am.
Next, somatic cell and reproductive cell. Somatic cell and other is which one? Reproductive cell. Very easy definition. Very easy. Reproductive cells meaning what? कि आपको जो male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ, right? Main primary, that's the testis. Female primary, that's the ovary. वहां के जो cells, okay, the cells which are present in the testes, the cells which are present in the ovary, that helps in production of gametes, right? You know, in the testis sperm production, then in the ovary egg formation, right? So the cells of the sex organ, that's the testis and ovary, you call reproductive cell. Simple definition, cells of the ovary, testis or the sex organ, you call which one? Reproductive cell. And in reproductive cell, ये extra में याद रख लो अभी से, meiosis occur. To form gametes, which division occur? Meiosis. Right? Whereas, other than the reproductive cell, आप बॉडी का कोई भी सेल ले लो, लीवर, किडनी, न्यूरॉन और दैट स्किन, cheek cell, right? Any other than the reproductive cell, all are we call somatic cell and they perform mitosis. We'll note down. Right? Reproductive cell, cells which are present or which we can found in reproductive organs, testes and ovary, and where the gametes are formed with the help of meiosis division. Other than the reproductive cell, all cells are known as the somatic cells and they perform mitosis. इसमें किसी को डाउट है तो बोलो.
मैम एक बार रिपीट करना है लास्ट लाइन.
आपने लिखा नहीं है? जब 2 बार मैंने बोला तो यू जस्ट सिट.
स्क्रीनशॉट ले रही थी तो उसमें लिखना रह गया.
Other than the reproductive cells, all cells are known as the somatic cell and they perform mitosis. Right? Next. Tell me, last time we have discussed that in which cell mitosis occur, in which cell meiosis? Yes or no? Quickly tell me, anyone. आपको ये याद नहीं होगा है ना?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay. See, as I told you, only in the sex organ, right? Whether it's a plant sex organ or the animal sex organ, which division occur to form gametes? Which division occur? बोलिए जिया.
Ma'am, meiosis.
Meiosis, right?
Meiosis, sorry.
Okay. Meiosis. And other than all part, that's the what type of cell division? Mitosis. So tell me, आपके पास ये hint है, on the basis of that hint, tell me, if I say you that root formation, shoot formation, leaf formation, what type of cell division occur? To form all this part, what type of cell division occur? My three.
Mitosis.
Correct, mitosis. Other than the reproductive कोई भी part हो, axillary bud, apical bud, meristematic tissue, embryo even, right? सिर्फ gamete तक क्या है meiosis? Embryo, skin, not skin, epidermis layer, fruit, seed formation, anything. Remember which division? Mitosis. Clear? Next.
Yes.
So animal में भी ऐसा ही होता है. Animal in that embryo, once the zygote is formed, zygote undergoes mitosis to form embryo, right? Skin cell में भी mitosis, liver cell mitosis to regenerate, right? Now next, very important term for NEET exam, APC complex, that we call, okay, that complex we call APC. Full form, all of you note down, anaphase promoting complex. Anaphase promoting complex.